Okay, so here I've got topic 3.5. I'm doing question 2b. Question 2b. So that's my derivative up here, and they want me to do an initial value problem on it. They tell me that q is 0, y is equal to minus 9. But to be able to put in q and y, I need an equation that's y in terms of q or q in terms of y. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my dq over. So dy equals 24q squared minus 12q minus 4 over 8q cubed minus 6q squared minus 4q plus 2. And I bring my dq over, so dq. Now I'm going to integrate both sides to get rid of my d's, essentially to get rid of my derivatives, so do the antiderivative. So I get my y is equal to. Now, it's a bit complicated on the other side though, but I will notice that when I differentiate the bottom line, it looks like the top line. So I let u equals 8q cubed minus 6q squared minus 4q plus 2. Then the derivative of that is equal to 24q squared minus 12q minus 4. So du is equal to 24q squared minus 12q minus 4 dq. I'll notice that all of this is on the top line, and so is my dq. It's right here. So I can swap all of those out for du. And of course my bottom line can be swapped out for u. So it's the derivative of 1 over u dq. Right. The derivative of 1 over u is the natural log of the absolute value of u plus c. Nearly there. So now we put in, what is u? Well, we said that u was equal to 8q cubed minus 6q squared minus 4q plus 2. And then we've got this plus c. So we need to figure out what that plus c is, and they give us two values. They say when q is 0, y is minus 9. So we fill minus 9 in for y, and we put 0 in for q. When we put 0 in for q, we end up all of these turning to 0, and I'm just left with 2 inside here, plus c. Therefore, c is equal to minus 9 minus the natural log. Now, do I need my absolute value sign anymore? I don't. It's positive, so I'll just say the natural log of 2. So I'll look that up in my calculator, and I get c is equal to minus 9.69. So here I have my natural log, my expression for y was the following. So I just need the same thing, but I need to fit in my c. So y is equal to the natural log of 8q cubed minus 6q squared minus 4q plus 2 minus 9.69. Now, you look above, so the answer your instructor has slightly different. So what your instructor did is they manipulated the formula, they manipulated the integral at the start by simplifying it a bit. That's absolutely fine, there's no problem doing that. So all they did is they took this value here, and they still had they were looking for the integral, same as us, of 24q squared minus 12q minus 4 all over 8q cubed minus 6q squared minus 4q plus 2. And while we're going to end up getting the same answer, it'll make our c look different. Why would our c be different? Well, because our expression is different. But as long as the two balance out, it doesn't matter. But what your instructor did here is it's a fraction. So they simplified the fraction. 2 divides into the top line, 2 divides into the bottom line. So 2q squared minus 6q minus 2. And on the bottom, divide everything by 2. I get 4q cubed minus 3q squared minus 2q plus 1. Exact same step as I just did there. And when you work it out from here, you'll get a different expression in here, and your constant will be different. But the full value of them will be the same.